Man and dog. 10,000 years of friendship. 10,000 years. Some people don't like dogs because of religious reasons. I say those people are wrong. Dog is man's best friend. Look around these woods. A tiger, a bear, a wolf pack, a cougar, the four-legged kind. All these animals could be hidden behind those trees right there, about to eat me, about to kill me. I would never know it because, hey, they're masters of stealth. Doggo here senses them. Doggo here warns humans about predators. Doggo here protects humans. So anybody who doesn't like dogs, they're just wrong. That is man's best friend. I'm telling you, if Homo sapiens beat the caveman, the dogs had something to do with it. Dogs warned us where these proto-humans were hanging around. Dogs protected us at night when we slept and wild animals were about. The scary ones that could eat us, Doggo warned us about them. Even though my doggo here has a nice comfy doggy bed in the living room, she still likes to sleep right outside my bedroom. Why? To watch over me. She's annoyingly protective. Charmingly protective, I should say. Charmingly protective. 10,000 years of friendship. What are you doing? It dried up, okay? It's not a creek anymore. It dried up. It dried up.